But that's why me I love Vanessa. Vanessa, do they give her holla, oh. See Vanessa, na fire dancer, yeah, she tell me master, master, can you do it faster? That's why me I love Vanessa, oh. See Vanessa, no they cause the drama,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa K. Yes, I'm back and better. I know you're thinking, baby girl, what's on your head? I'm liking it. Listen, I got hooked all the way up with this company called Elva Wigs, yeah. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. They sent me this hair. I'll go through the details about this hair, but before we get into the video, make sure you leave this video with a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and turn post notifications on so you're always notified when I post. So let's get into the video. Before I even start, this hair is beautiful. Like it's beautiful. So I'll show you. It came today actually, so I'm wearing it now. I haven't bleached the knots, I haven't done anything to it. All I've done is just basically glue it on, you feel me? I'll tell you that when it first came, it smelled clean. It didn't have no funky smell. I'm saying it didn't have no funky. It came clean. This is the packaging it came in. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but that is the packaging it came in. It's a nice cute little handbag. Hey baby, honey, I'm home. Nice cute little packaging, yes. I was like, okay, come in clutch. So in this packaging, first of all, it took me a while to figure out how to even open the box. I feel so stupid because all you have to do is flip it like that and it, you get what I mean. If you want a free wig, guys, if you want a free wig, you basically need to have over 3,000 fans, and they'll email you. Just, you know what I'm saying? So with this hair, it does say that you can dye it. It is virgin hair, so you can dye it, you can do whatever you want. In the leaflet, it also does say that if the hair does come to you and you do not like it, it doesn't look like what the picture says, they will refund it for you guys. They will refund your hair, okay? It says about your hairline. All our wigs are pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs around the perimeter. A little bit of maths here, guys. Perimeter. Yeah, it gives you like a little picture of the pre-plucked, etc, etc, etc. And then it does have, obviously, a range of wigs that they also do sell. Also in the beautiful box, it comes with a pair of eyelashes. I don't know if you can see. Comes with a pair of eyelashes. Then it comes with a wig cap. I haven't worn it, the wig cap, because I already had a couple wig caps from different wigs already. So I just wore one of the wig caps I already was previously wearing. And then it comes with a nail filer. They're like, baby girl, get cute, get your nails done. By the way, for anyone who's probably looking at me like, baby girl, you didn't even do your hair properly. You didn't even do it like this. You're supposed to do it like that. That's not even how you wear a wig. Listen, I'm still in the department and learning how to do wigs. You feel me? I'm still learning how to flick the edges. I'm still learning how to blend the thing. You understand? So don't be coming to show hate to me. Don't tell me, baby girl, that's how you wear a wig. I wear a wig however I want to wear a wig. You understand? It's a wig. Yeah? This wig that I'm currently wearing is 20 inches. Now let me give you the title of the name of the wig. Wow. Says heavy density Remy hair body wave, 360 lace front, pre-plucked natural hairline with baby hairs. The title doesn't lie. It's everything it says it is, right? I will insert the picture that it shows. Now I don't know if I'm not wearing the wig right, but I don't know how to get my hair looking like the way this girl got her hair looking it, you know what I'm saying? I'll get there eventually, but I'll insert the picture. When it did come, it was more looser waves. It wasn't as wavy as it is now, but when it's wet, it's a lot more wavier, obviously. You could do anything you want with this hair. You can actually, like, you see, you can do like any parting you want, any parting, any hairstyle you want, baby girl, you could do. You feel me? The wig did come with lace all around the perimeter. I don't even know if I'm using my maths correctly yet, but don't even question me. The lace came all around the hair. You know how sometimes you buy wigs, the lace front wigs, and you just be the lace front? Nah, it's a full lace front, you feel me? Like, it's a full lace front and back. I haven't done the back. I'm gonna get someone to actually glue the back for me because obviously I cannot see. So it goes from 10 inches to 24 inches. 24 inches is $156. On the website, 20 inches is in fact $171. But obviously I'm in the UK, so translate that is 135 pounds. That is very good for this hair. 135 pounds. I ain't gonna complain, darling. 135 pounds, this is good, this is good. Before I end this video, I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like when it's wet. So yeah, let me just take it out of this scrunchie. I lightly wet it. So in this, it's just water. And I just dump the hair. So guys, how's your day going? Is your day going well, guys? Because I want to know. Have you eaten? Have you showered? What are you doing? Comment below what you're doing right now. Comment below if you're wearing socks or no socks. I see a lot of people saying stuff like that. It's so weird, but it's curious. I want to know. I then use some Cantu. Yeah, I use some Cantu in my hair. It enhances your curls. And it makes your hair smell very good. Very good. Put it in your hands and then I basically just run it through my hair. And then to make the parting more visible, it's not the best parting, but to make the parting more visible, you just add a bit of concealer to it. And voila, guys. So guys, this is the hair, wet and wavy. As you can see, there is waves in it. It's not very curly, but it is wavy. I really like it. All the details you need to know will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here as well. Before I end this video, guys, make sure you add up my social media. It's also in the description box below. If you want to see more of me promoting other stuff, if you want to see more outfits, if you want to see more hair, if you want to see this, that, get out my social media because I'm very active. I like to communicate and have like interactions with you guys. So I would love for you guys to add up my social media, which will be in the description box below, to get to know you guys more. And yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely recommend getting the hair. I hope you guys have a good evening. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.